it out from the music behind me. The celebrations are in full swing as we speak. A huge number of people have just walked in for the 8 o'clock show, and we're expecting some more people to come out. There you have the celebrations after 2 shows of Kabali. Let's hear from some of the people who are still waiting here. They have their tickets, but they've come in early here. They've been here for several hours so that they can get a feel of the celebrations before they actually go in. What have you heard so far? What is the review so far?
So far, everyone is saying is the movie is gonna be a blockbuster movie. Absolutely, it's gonna be a world record for this year. No one can beat the Kabali record.
Where's your ticket? Where's your ticket?
Yeah, I got the special ticket of 8 o'clock, 8:30 or 9 o'clock. I am waiting for my friends. Totally 7 people are going.
Some more youngsters here, several of them in fact just went in. They have been here since 2 a.m. despite getting tickets for the 8 o'clock show, just to be here to get a sense of things, despite requests from several organizations not to go in with the typical Pala Abhishekam, which is the milk Abhishekam. There was several such sessions here right now. What did you hear? How was the movie?
No, still I didn't watch the movie. I have a second ticket of next show also. Going to watch continuously or 4 times. Same movie. Kabali is going to rock the day.
There you are. That's the popular sentiment here. Of course, most of them haven't yet bothered to go in and see. But still, the euphoria is so high that there are hundreds of people outside the theatre as we speak, just here to get a feel of things. Also, there are over 200 Japanese tourists who've come here specially to Chennai just to watch Kabali. This is a tradition that they have been following for several years now. For each of Rajinikanth's releases, they actually fly down here all the way from Japan to get a feel of watching a Rajinikanth movie in Chennai. Kashi, where I am right now, is one of the theatres where which is a hardcore fan base of Rajinikanth, and what you see on your screen has been on since 2 a.m. in the morning.
All right.